Hi guys, and thank you for watching this video of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare an unbelievably tasty, super moist chocolate cake. You've never seen this in your entire life, I'm telling you! This cake has a Belgian twist. Watch this video to discover the secret. The Chocamon Cake, that's the name of the cake, is an incredible mix of dark and melty chocolate and cinnamon cookies. Imagine the shock! So what you will need to make the Chocamon Cake for 8 is... So tell me what you want! 8 ounces of dark chocolate. French word of the day. The French word of the day is Gâteau au chocolat for chocolate cake. Gâteau au chocolat. Gâteau! 8 ounces of cinnamon cookies. Biscoff cookies. You will need to split 6 eggs. Yolks on one side and the egg whites on another side. 1 ounce of walnuts. You will use them at the end when it's time to eat the cake. 4 ounces of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of raw sugar. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Crush cookies in a food processor. Melt butter and mix it with crushed cookies in a mixing bowl. Arrange a parchment paper in the bottom of a cake mold. Spread and press the mixture on top of it. Mix yolks and melted chocolate. Next step is to make raw meringue with the white eggs. And this is where I invite you to check on the video how to make meringue, which is available in my Cooking with Benoit channel. So check on the description below because it will link you to this video. Please do that. Now gently mix chocolate mixture and meringue with a silicone spatula. Pour mixture on the cookie crust. Bake for 20 minutes and check doneness with a knife at the end. Serve cold with some walnuts and icing sugar on top of it. So good! You're not hungry yet? I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give a thumb up to show your support. You may also want to comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified of all our videos. That helps us a lot. Thank you very much for that. In the meantime, merci, au revoir, et à bientôt!